Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity. I am so excited to be here today for the second episode of the No Color December. We are doing the second episode with 4-color ink blending resist, and we are going to be using the Sweater Weather stamp set from Unity and Bruce Monroe, along with I Am With You, and we're using the sentiment. We will also be using white embossing powder along with our embossing pad and the following colors of Distress Oxydes in Worn Lipstick, Wilted Violet, Cracked Pistachio, and the Broken China. You're going to need a couple blenders, black cardstock, and white cardstock, and a piece of foam. To begin, we're going to be using the Sweater Weather ink stamp set, and we're going to ink it up with the clear embossing pad. We're going to stamp directly onto our cardstock, and I love red rubber because you don't need a acrylic block. You can just do it directly, especially with those large background stamps. Then we're going to cover it up with white embossing powder and heat set it. Now we're going to begin by ink blending. We are going to start with the pink and doing just a little circle on the edge, coming in with that wilted violet, staying close to the pink, blending just a little bit in between those two colors, but leaving enough room to be able to come in with our third color, which is Cracked Pistachio, a minty sort of color. This is really light, so we have to come in and really press down and blend a little more. This is going to take a little bit of work. This is the same stamp set I used in my previous video for the No Color in December. Then we're going to be using Broken China for the outer edge, and be sure to leave some white spaces in between. We're going to clean off some of the ink color so it comes off our white embossing as its emboss resist. Then using the sentiment from I Am With You, we are going to stamp it in the clear ink and heat emboss with the white embossing powder. Now we're going to start assembling our card. We're going to use foam adhesive. I like to use one layer of foam adhesive, and I get this at the dollar store, and I just put adhesive on the card base, and it makes it really cheap. We're going to repeat the process onto the sentiment that we stamped with the black cardstock, and then to finish up we're going to be using clear sequins, and I place my adhesive first, and then I come in and add those embellishments. And that does it. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. This is a great way to make lots and lots of cards for the No Stamping December series. Thank you so much. Have a great day.